I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and locating the element you want to change. This is not optional. Once you have the selector, add a rule in your CSS file or a style block. Then, declare the word spacing property on that selector and set an initial numeric value, for example 0. 25 You do this because word spacing accepts CSS length units, em, rem, px, or percentage. Choosing units relative to font size keeps spacing consistent across sizes. Now fine-tune the spacing. Change the word spacing value in small increments and preview in context. You should test with real content, headlines, paragraphs, lists, because visual impact varies. Once done, compare em or rem against px to decide which scales better with responsive text. Make sure to check at multiple breakpoints and devices. Responsive typography can alter perceived gaps. If necessary, pair a subtle letter spacing adjustment, but avoid overlapping fixes that mask the real spacing issue. To finish, apply your chosen word spacing where it matters, paragraphs, headings, or a utility class, and lock it into your style sheet. Then add media queries to reduce or increase spacing for narrow and wide viewports so text remains readable. If you run into problems, inspect computed styles, inherited rules, or user agent defaults can override your value. Also confirm the font's design. Some fonts have built-in white space that limits the effect of word spacing and may
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.